Welcome to our journey through the riveting chapters of Acts 21 to 24. Imagine stepping into a world where faith collides with authority, and each decision could mean the difference between freedom or bondage for the early Christians. Our guide through these events is the ever-passionate Paul. In Acts 21, Paul heads back to Jerusalem despite ominous warnings about his fate. He meets his fellow believers and reports on his mission among the Gentiles. Amidst the joy, a storm looms. Jewish followers stir unrest, accusing Paul of defiling the temple. Acts 21:33 captures the tension. The commander came up and arrested him and ordered him to be bound with 2 chains. In chapter 22, we witness Paul's powerful defense. He speaks of his dramatic conversion and mission, trying to persuade the hostile crowd. Yet, when he mentions his mission to the Gentiles, chaos erupts again. His Roman citizenship saves him from flogging, highlighting a divine interplay of justice. Acts 23 presents a dramatic courtroom scene. Paul, wise and bold, delivers an insight from Acts 23:6. I am on trial because of the hope of the resurrection of the dead.
This statement cleverly divides his accusers and sets an unexpected defense movement. Amid the danger, Acts 23:11 offers reassurance. The following night the Lord stood near Paul and said, "Take courage, as you have testified about me in Jerusalem, so you must also testify in Rome." Finally, Acts 24 reveals the political dance of justice. Paul faces Governor Felix and boldly speaks of righteousness, self-control, and future judgment. Despite Felix's fear, politics delay justice. Paul remains imprisoned but undeterred. Through these chapters, we uncover a timeless struggle for truth and faith amid trials and tribulations. Join us as we explore how this pivotal story of courage, conviction, and divine intervention continues to inspire and challenge us today.